Hey there! Today, we're diving into an important topic for accounting professionals: client communication in the digital age. As technology continues to shape our world, it's crucial for accountants to adapt their communication strategies to meet the changing needs of clients. So, let's explore some best practices that will help you excel in this digital landscape. In a world where email, video calls, and instant messaging have become the norm, it's essential to leverage these tools effectively. Did you know that 86% of professionals prefer email for business communication? However, keep in mind that being accessible through multiple channels is equally important. Embrace technology that enables seamless collaboration and real-time communication with your clients. But remember, communication is not just about the tools you use, it's about building strong relationships. Story time. I once had a client who was frustrated with the lack of personal touch from their previous accountant. So, I made it a point to schedule regular video calls to discuss their financial goals and address any concerns. This simple step created a bond of trust and improved our working relationship. Did you know that 78% of clients value personalized communication from their accountants? Taking the time to understand your client's unique needs and preferences can make a world of difference. Tailor your communication style to match their preferences, whether it's a detailed email, a phone call, or even a quick message through a secure client portal. Another crucial aspect of client communication is timely and accurate responses. When clients reach out with questions or concerns, aim to respond within 24 hours. This shows that you value their time and are dedicated to providing exceptional service. Remember, good communication builds trust and enhances client satisfaction. Now, let's summarize the key best practices for client communication in the digital age. Embrace digital tools and channels to enhance accessibility and collaboration. Build personal connections by scheduling regular video calls or in-person meetings. Personalize your communication to meet your client's preferences. Respond promptly and provide accurate information to show your commitment to their needs. By implementing these best practices, you'll not only strengthen your client relationships, but also set yourself apart as a trusted and reliable accounting professional. Remember, communication is the key to success in the digital age.